Choice today with 2016 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, Bose sound system, power passenger seat, traction control, heated seats, power sunroof, power liftgate, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.